Capcut Video Editor is a popular Android application designed for creating and editing videos with a wide array of powerful features. This app caters to both amateur and professional content creators, offering an intuitive interface that simplifies the video editing process. Users can easily trim, cut, and merge video clips, as well as add music, sound effects, and voiceovers to enhance their projects. Capcut includes a rich library of visual effects, filters, and transitions, helping users to create visually engaging content that stands out. One of the key features of Capcut is its ability to support high-resolution video editing, allowing users to produce quality videos optimized for various platforms, including social media. The app often offers options for text overlays, stickers, and animations, enabling users to add a personal touch to their videos. Additionally, Capcut provides tools for adjusting speed, applying advanced color grading, and creating stunning visual effects through keyframe animations. Overall, Capcut Video Editor is a versatile and user-friendly app that empowers users to create professional-looking videos directly from their Android devices.